All right, I'm back here with another video. Listen up and listen up closely. This is part 2 to my 20-year-olds, my 18-year-olds coming out of high school, starting college, trying to figure out where they want to go in life. All right, listen up. This is where we're going to go. So we talked about engineering, we talked about IT, we talked about tech, we talked about CDL, skills of trades. All right, these are all things that are valuable. Now, you might think to yourself, well, how am I going to find the money to pay for this? All right, if you're single, right? No kids, no wife, or anything like that, I'm not giving you any mercy. You get no pity from me. Understand that. None. None whatsoever, because I don't want to hear it. You have the least amount of responsibilities in this world. All right? I got responsibilities. I wake up every day and take care of mine. Me making this video, this is me taking care of my business. I'm up right now. It's midnight. Right now, I just got off of a 13-hour shift. 13-hour shift, came home, made this video because this information needs to get put out. And I got other obligations and other responsibilities I got to take care of. And I'm still here doing this. Now, listen up. You are going to have a long sit down and you're going to figure out and you're going to research what type of skills and trades that you can learn. You're going to get online. You're going to find in your local area what trade schools you can go to be an electrician, to be a plumber, to be something like that. And if you can't afford that, what you're going to do is you're going to work some bullshit fucking job, some fast food restaurant, working at Walmart, working retail, something like that. You're going to do that. You're going to minimize your expenses, and then you're going to stack your money. You're going to do that for 6 months. You're going to do that for a year. You're going to build up your savings. You're going to build up the money that you need in order to go get that certification, go get that license, go get inside of that trade program. That's what you're going to do. And you're going to do that and you're going to stack your money. You're not going to parties, you're not going to clubs, you're not taking long road trips. You have not earned a vacation yet. Do you understand that? You have not earned a vacation yet. You are working hard. And I promise you, if you work hard, right? You work hard and you grind, then one day in your future, you're going to say, damn, I am so glad that I did that. So, now I'm ending this video. Get up, get online, see what kind of skills you can learn in your area. IT, engineering, being a plumber, being an IT technician, all that stuff. I'm telling you, these things are skills you can learn and you can market yourself in the corporate workplace. Stack your money, minimize your expenses, and then go learn from somebody that knows how to do the skill. And then actually go and learn it. All right? Let me know what you're going to decide on in the comments below. All right? I'll see you in the next one.